Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 14D. In this exercise, we will know how to multiply and divide the given time with the any number. So, this is a multiplication is here 4 hours 20 minutes 15 seconds. We have to multiply with the 7. So, in this example, you can see how it is multiplied. Okay, so likewise, as I told that here is 140 minutes and 105 second. So as I told that the maximum we can write 59 second, as well as we can write 59 minutes, and for the hours we can write up to the maximum 23, because after 23 if you write the 24, so that becomes the one day, then after it has to be converted into the day. So this is the limit as we are following. So based on this, like the multiplication, and as we have the division also. Okay, how to divide? So in the division, what is the procedure? Suppose it's the 1 hour, so it is divided by 80. So it is not possible to divide 1 hour by 80. So it means now this hour will be converted to the minute. Now it is converted to the minute. Then after you can see that one more minute, it is means the after this hour there is a minute also. So 2 minutes now getting means the two parts of the minute. As you know that it is nothing but there is a plus sign. It means here is also, as I told, that it the given time is given like 1 hour 45 minutes 20 second. If you have to convert in the second, what you will do? First of all, you have to write that 1 hour plus 45 minutes plus 20 second in the plus form. Then we are converting. Already this type of question we have solved in the previous exercises. So here 1 hour we will not able to divide. It means now this hour is changes to the minute. Now this 60 minutes and 145 minutes, now both we will add. Now you will get 105. Now this 105 you can divide by 80. Yes, it is possible. Now after dividing that, you will see that there is a some quotient. So this quotient, because we are dividing the minutes, so this quotient will be in the minute. Now this remainder will be whatever the remainder is there. Now this remainder is not possible to divide again by 80, means this is the remainder now left. So this remainder now we have to change to the second, because now we have the more terms is here second. So now this remainder we will change to the second. So again it is multiplied by 60. Now this 1500 second is now we have. Now this not 1500 plus this 20, because this 20 is also it has to be divided. Now this 1500 plus 20 now become for 1520. Now it is divided by 80. So now you can see that it is completely divided. Now whatever the quotient will be in the second. So it means now 1 minute 19 second. You can see there is a quotient. First of all, you can see 1 minute, now 19 second. And actually earlier it was a 0 hour, so no need to write, because here when we are dividing this hour part, it is not able to divide. So that's why it is it is written 0 hours. Okay, so we will solve some questions, then you will understand. So first of all, here is exercise 14b, page number 225. So we will multiply. So first question I am going to solve this one. Okay, 3 hours 25 minutes and 13 seconds, and it is multiplied by 8. So let's do it. Number B. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, it's a number B. It is given hour, minute and second. Okay, so here is it is 3:25, and here it is given 13 second, and now all it is multiplied by 8, means okay. Now how you will do it? So first of all, as you are multiplying, normal multiply you do it. So 13 8 is 104, so you just leave it. This is for 104 second. Okay, don't do anything. Now 25 into 8, this 25 into 8 you multiply, so you will get 200. So this is your 200. Okay, so 200 minute, and you have to always try to write in the front of this minute. This is minute, second, this is second. Okay, now you will multiply this 8 to this 3, so it will be 24. It means 24 hour. Okay, now next step, as I told that earlier, just now here I told that already I have told that. Here you can see what is the limitations are there. We cannot write more than 59. So you can see in this our answer, it is more than 59, it is 104. So what we will do, one by one we will change it. So first of all we will change, so I just put one line. Now this 104 is the second, so 104 you can divide by 60 first of all. Okay, to make it minute. So when you divide one time, so it will be 60, and you can subtract it, so it will be 44. So now this one will be send to the carry. So this 1 will be come to here. Okay, this 1 will be come here, this question part, okay, to the minute part. Now this is now 44, whatever the remainder that we will write there. So now we have the 44. So now this is become 44. Okay, now here is, now 1 is added, so 201 it is now, and here is 24. Now one more line. Now you can see this is okay. Now here 201. So now again here we have to change. So what we will do, again we will divide this 201. So 201 you have to divide by 60 again. So how many time? 3 time. So it will be 180. So remainder will be 21. So this 3 will be again sent to the next part. So 3 will be added here. Now here it is, what is the remainder? 21. So you just write here. So same you just write down, this is 44. Now here it will be 21. Now 23 plus 4, 27. Okay, now here it is 27 day 21 minute and 44 second. Now one more thing also you can do. Here is 24. As I told that here in the day part you can write maximum up to 23, but here is 27. So what you will do, again you can do this 27 you can divide by 24. Okay, so now one time 24. So there is remainder. So this one is that one is now become day. Okay, this is now because 24 in a one day 24 hours. So now you can write here it is one, here you can write 1 day. Okay, now here is left only 3. So this is 3 hour, this is 21 minute and 44 second. So this is your answer. Okay, so what you can do, up to here also you can leave, no problem. Okay, this is your answer also, 27 27 hours 21 minutes and 44. This is your answer. Okay, but also you, if you will do this step, so you can do up to this step also. Okay, so this is about how to multiply. So first of all you have to multiply whatever number is given, then after one by one change it. Okay, so whatever the carries there, you just forward to the next and do like this. Now next we will solve the divide. Okay, so number 2 we will do divide. Okay, so here for question number 1, 20 hours 30 minutes divided by 20. So we will do this question. Okay, question number 1, this is a number. Okay, so we will solve now 7 sorry no, question number 2, it is 2a. Okay, we have to divide. So it is given 20 hours, so I will write here 20 hour and 30 minute. So I write here 30 minute. Okay, now it is divided by 20. Okay, now first of all, as we are performing division in the normally, as we are dividing, like suppose that we have to divide 402 divided by 8. So what we are doing, we are checking with the first digit, is it able to divide? No. So then we are taking the both. Now 40 we will divide, yes, 8 5s are 40. Okay, now then after 2 is remainder, sorry 2 will be come down. Now 2 can we divide? No, so we put the 0. So as we are normally we are dividing, the same thing we will follow here also. We will check it from here. So can we divide this 20, means our part is first. So can we divide 20? Yes, so we will write here 1. Okay, now this is 20. Okay, so this is 20 r, so this is now cancel. So now this is here our. Okay, and what you do, one more thing, you just round it, because it will be easy for you, you will understand it. So this is now our part is over. Now this 30 will be come down both minute. Okay, so 30 will be come down. So this is now 30 minute. Okay, so now this 30 minute can, it will be divided by 20 again. Okay, separately we will do. Okay, it is, we are doing the separately. Now 20 how many times again we will do? So this is the one time, so 20 will be there, this is the 20. Okay, you can write minute. Now here is 10. Now 10 minute is now left, and now we have divided it in the minute, so write here minute. And as I told that whatever the quotient you are getting, the quotient you just try to write in the round. Okay, just try to round it, because it will be easy to find out. Now next, now 10 minute is there, because this is not the final answer, because now remainder should not be there, it should be exactly divided. Now this 10 minutes we are not able to divide by 20. So what we will do, we will change it. We will change it means we will make it to the second. So this 10 into 60 we can do. So now this is become now second. So that we can write 10 into 60. How much it is? This 10 minute is now changes to the second. So this is now 600 second. Okay. Now this 600 second can be divided by 20. Yes. So now how many time? 3 times 60. Okay. So now 0 is there. We cannot divide. So 30. So now this is the 30. So this is your 30 second. And as I told that this question part you round it. Okay. Now you can see how many rounded we have. Check it. 1 hour. So you write here 1 hour. 1 minute. So write 1 minute. 30 second. So write here 30 second. Okay. So this is your answer. 1 hour, 1 minute, 30 second. Okay. So this question part is your answer. And what you have to do? Actually, this is your example. No need to check it. Okay. Now this is your solution. You can see how we have done. Means you have to divide it. Means exactly you have to finally you have to divide. If it is not dividing, sometimes some remainders are there, then you can change it to the it's the lowest form. Means like you can make it second or minute, whatever is there. So try to do. Okay. So in the same way you have to do. Okay. So all the questions are the answers. So 1 hour, 1 minute and 30 second. Okay. Some more question we will solve, then you will understand much better. So now next we will solve one more division part. Question number 2. Okay. So here I will solve number C. Okay. 4 hours, 37 minutes, 30 seconds divided by 90. So let's do this one. Number 2. Question number C. Okay. So it is 4 hour. Okay. 37 minute and 30 second. Okay. And now it is it has to divided by 90. Now we have to divide this given number by the 90. We have to divide it. These numbers has to be divided by 90. 4 hour, 37 minute and 30. So first of all we'll check it. Can we divide this 4 hour by this 90? Can we divide by this 90 to 4 hours? No. So what we will do? So first we write here 0 hour. Why? Because this hour part we have to divide. So hour we cannot divide. So means how many times we have divided? 0 times. So that's why I write 0 and round it. As I told that quotient always you round it. It will be easy to visual means to find out what are the questions we have got. Okay. Now this we are not able to divide this 4 hours. Now we will change this 4 hours. Okay. So what we will do? We will multiply by 60. Now it will be the minute. Okay. So now, so you will multiply. So you will get 240. Now this is your minute. Okay. Now you can see again there is a one more part 37 minute. Okay. So what we will do? We will add this part here. So 37 minute you can add with this. Okay. So these two we will be added. So now it will be when you will add, so it will be 277 minute. Okay. Now you can see this 277 can be divided by 90. So we can divide. So divide by 90. So how many times? First of all we divide. So 3 times. Okay. So and again this is a minute. So in the question part also it will be minute. So it will be 270. Okay. So now 7 will be the remainder and this is the minute also. So now it is 7 minute. Okay. Now this is again you have to round it. Whatever the question you are getting, round it. Okay. Now 7 minute is now left. So can this 7 minute is left means we are not able to divide. So now what we will do? Again we will change this one. So we will multiply by 60. Multiply by 60. Okay. So now it will be the 420 and this 420 and this 420 is your second. Okay. 420 second. Now you can see there is a 30 second is left. So this 30 second will be come down. Okay. So this 30 second we will bring from there and we will add. So what is this 30 second? We will add in this second. Okay. So now it will be 450 second. Now we will divide by 90. So how many time? 5 time 40 45. Okay. Now 0 will be bring down. Okay. So this is the second. So we will bring the 0. So can we divide? this 0 cannot be means by 90 we cannot divide 0, so put the 0. So now this is the second, so this quotient will be also in the second. Okay, so now here is the 50 we got. Okay, oh sorry, here is not 50, no need to do, here is actually 90 it is, so no need to do anything. So directly we can divide the 5 times. Okay, so directly we can divide here 5 times 450 it will be. Okay, so here is the 5 second. Okay, now you can check the all the quotients, whatever the quotient we have got. So first quotient we got 0 hour. Okay, so this 0 hour no need to write. Okay, this 0 hour, because 0 no need to write. So first we start from here 3 minutes, this 0 hour no need to write. Okay, so leave it. If you write 0 hour, no problem, you can write, but no need to write. So here you can write 3 minutes. Okay, and next we have more, here you can see 5 second, so right here 5 second. So your answer is 3 minutes and 5 second. Okay, so this is the process as we have followed. I hope you understand this one, how to solve. Okay, so here is the second, so that's why in the question part also second. Okay, in here you can see minute, so in the question part also minute. Here is we have divided hour, so in the question part it is the hour. So this is the one of the method. Okay, to divide. Okay, another method is also there. Another method means that in that method what you have to do means this 4 hour you have to change in the one unit like second, 37 minute you have to change in the again second, and 30 second, and again that all you have to add and divide by 90. So in that method method also you will get the same answer, but it will but I think this is the easy one, so you just follow this method and try to solve by this methods only. Okay, so in this way. Now next question we will see. So what is that? Next, see that the next question. So next question we have number 3. You can see in number 3 the mathematics in the tutor teaches mathematics to senior classes for total 3 hours 40 minutes and 35 seconds daily. For how much time he will have taught for 20 days? Means in 20 days how many hours it will be taught? Means every day it is taught 3 hours 40 minutes and 35, it is the for the every day. So in 20 days how many it will be? So it means we have to multiply. So simply this given numbers you have to multiply by 20. So in number 3 how you will do? So it is given 3 hours, so 3 hour you write 40 minute. Okay, and 35 second. Okay, and this all you have to multiply by 20 days, so multiply by 20. Okay, so first you multiply these two, 35 into 20, so you will get 700, so write it 700 second. Now this 20 will multiply to 40, so it will be 800, so this is the 800 minute. Now again this 20 will multiply to 3 hours, so it will be 60. Okay, so now 60 hours 800 minutes 700 second. So these all are not in a proper form, so we will change it. First of all, this 700 will be divided by 60. Okay, so divide by 60 one time, 60, here will be 1 0 0. So now for again for the one time 60, so now remainder is 40. So this 40 will be written here. Okay, 40 second. Okay, and this 11 will be sent to the next part here, plus 11 here. Okay, so now plus 11, so it will be 801 811 minute. Now this side is the again for this is the 60 hour. Now again this is not in the proper form, so write the equal sign there again, sorry, this line. Okay, now 811, now again divide by 60, so 811 divided by 60, how many time? One time again, so it is 60, so it will be 2 1 1 will be there, so 3 time 180, so here will be 31. Now 31 we will write here 31, and 13 will be sent to the carry to the next part, so 13 will be come to the here, so plus 13 will be here. Now we write here 40 second, remainder we got the 31, so right here 31 minute. Now it is added, so it will be 73 hour. Okay, now here is again you can see that 73 hours 31 minute and 40 second. Now you can change this part hour also, hour part, So you can divide by 24. So this 73 will be divided by 24. How many times? 3 times. So 72. 1 will be remainder, and this 3 will be the next part. Means that 3 is your day. So that is your 3 day, 1 hour, 31 minute and 40 second. Okay, so this is your solution. Got it? You can just check it once again. Okay, so this is your solution. First you multiply, then one by one you just change this also. Okay, by dividing the 60 and 24 we have done it. Okay, now we will solve question number 4. A trekking party covers a distance of 10 kilometer in 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, and 40 second. Means 10 kilometer it is covered in 2 hours 30 minutes and 40 second. How much does the party take going 1 kilometer? Means for taking for traveling 10 kilometer it took 2 hours 30 minutes and 40 second. So for 1 kilometer how much it will be taken? So simply it will be divided by 10. So whatever the time 3 hours 30 minutes is given, it will be divided by 10. So that we will get the time. So that will be the total time taken by. So you just solve this one, number 4. Question number 4, time taken. Okay, time taken you just write by the like time taken to cover distance in distance of 1 kilometer. Okay, distance of 1 kilometer. Okay, so time taken to cover distance of 1 kilometer. So you just solve it. So that will be 10. So divided by 10, what is the time? 2 hour 30 minute and 40 second. Okay, so same thing we will do. Can we divide this 2 hour by 10? No. So you write here 0 hour. Got it? Now this 2 you multiply by 60. Okay, so now it will be 120. So this is your minute. Okay, now this again this 30 minute will share there. So now 30 minute it will be added. So now it is 150 minute. Okay, now this will be divided by 10. Now can we divide by 10? Yes. So 1 time 10. So 5 will be here. Again 5 time. So 50. Okay, so now this is the minute. So 50 minute. Okay, so just circle it. Okay, now this 0 hour we got. Now this 40 will be come down. Okay, so now 40 you just write here. For this 40 is here. So now 40 second. So can we divide can we divide by 10? Yes. So divide by 10 how many time? 4 time. So it is 4 second 40. Okay, so now here we got the question 4. So now you can check that how many questions we got. First is 0, no need to write. Here is 15 and here is 4. So you write here 15 minute 4 second. This is the time taken to cover 1 kilometer. So this is the time taken. This is the time taken to cover 1 kilometer. Okay, so this is your answer. Now next we will solve the next question. Just see, next question we have number 5. In 1 week 7 days clock lost 3.5 minutes. How many seconds did it loss every day? Means in 7 days it lost 3.5. Okay, so you can do it like this. Number 5 you just write down like this. In 7 days, okay, lost 3.5 minute. Okay, in 7 days how many minutes it lost? 3.5. So you just change it. First of all 3.5 means 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 2 minutes. We just make it this mix fraction to improper. Now, so in 7 days, lost, this is in the minute, so can we change to the second? So this I will change this 7 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 into 60, okay, by 1. So now this becomes second. So solve it. So we will divide 2 times, it is 30. So 7 3 is 210. So 30 into 7, so 210 second. So in 7 days how many second it is losing? 210 seconds. So in one day we have to find out in one day how much it will lost. So in one day, okay, so in one day lost, so how much it will be lost? So 210 second, and it is divided by 7, because in 7 days 210, so in one day it will divide by 7. So how many time? Sorry, it is 210 actually, this is 210. Okay, so now how many time? 3 time. Okay, here is 0, so 30. So now we got here 30 second. Okay, so in one day how much it will be lost? 30 second. Okay, so simply in 7 day it is 3.5 minutes. So 7 by 2 we change it, this then after again change to the second, then after in one day, so it will be like we have used the unitary method. So 210 divided by 7, so here is 30 second. Okay, now next question, now last one, number 6. You can see my watch loses 2 minutes every day, how much second it in 1 hour? Same like last question. Okay, as we have solved number 5, so similarly we can do it. Number 6 you can do it, like you can write here in one day. Okay, in one day losses 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes, so you can change it to second also. Okay, or you can write here 2 into 60, so that is your 120 second. Okay, so in one day to 120 second. So in one day how many hours are there? So in one day there are 24 hours. This one day we can write 24 hours or not? In one day there are how many? In one day how many hours? 24 hours. So 20 in 24 hours losses same 120 second. Okay, so now it is asked that in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, so in 1 hour losses, so 120 divided by 24. Okay, so this is your second. So you can divide it how many time? It will divide for the 5 time. So in 1 hour how much it is lost? 5 second. Okay, your answer is 5 second. Okay, you just see it. In 1 hour how much it is lost? So in one day it is lost 120 second. 2 minutes equals to 2 into 60, 120 second. So in one day how many? In one day 24 hours. So in 24 hours it is lost 120 second. So in 1 hour, so it will divide by 24, so it is 5 second only. Okay, so you just go through this exercise and solve exercise 14D. Okay.